What's up, YouTube? We did a parking lot without you. Worked on this a little bit more without you. I brought a helper today. Gotta have them employees. If you guys remember, we did the little pad for the tiny building. This pad's just about complete. Probably go through and finish grade it with some real fine, good topsoil, you know, rake it out by hand, probably get it just perfect. Today we're gonna be lighting that brush pile on fire. We got us a mini. We're gonna pop them trees out. My little helper here is gonna haul the trees over there to the fire. We're gonna fire up these machines and get them warming up. It's like 33 degrees outside. Somebody's getting nice comfortable cab, the other guy, he's not so much. Machines are warmed up. Little helper's bringing me a little bit of fire helper. We're gonna get this pile started up right here. This is somebody else's pile that's been here, and we're just gonna add to it and burn it because all of it's got to be gone. So fire's rolling. Hope the cops don't show up. Got the little baby KX040 or whatever out here. It's actually pretty stout, 10,000 pound machine, but it works pretty good. I would rather be in a cab than a Caterpillar, but it is what it is, and it's actually pretty good. I think you'd kick the pants off a Bobcat. Like, I ran a Bobcat this summer a little bit, and I don't know. Good machine, just it was slow. Yeah. I think this ought to do the trick. We're gonna knock these trees down behind us. My kiddo's watching, he's on fire watch right now, and we're gonna try and get some trees over there, but at first you wanna make sure it doesn't spread while I'm working. So yeah, he's getting the fun job. At least it's warm. I'm having some battery issues with the camera too, because it's cold out here. We've got a few trees down. Got most of the brush and stuff out of it. It was hard to work with before, but I don't know. This machine's a little anemic for what we're doing, but it's going to get the job done. So it is what it is. Got the kiddo out here. He's been hauling brush back and forth. This will be his first time ever using a grapple. I think it was his first time ever switching an implement from one to the next, but anyways, he's moving brush, he's having fun. I gotta knock these trees down. We've already taken a pile of the brush and we threw it onto the fire. Kind of got to keep up with the fire so it doesn't end up burning out, because these that are coming down are going to be green, so I need it hot so I can continue to burn it. But yeah, got my moto gloves on because it's cold out here. don't say this very often, but I wish this old gal had a little more weight in her hind end. But anyways, we got us a little bit, several trees out of here. This big one behind me, the tree, you know, it's probably about yay big around, and most of the roots were pretty normal, but it had one of them that was basically the same size as the trunk of the tree, which was a little hard to pick through with this little guy. But yeah, let's get over here and stoke the fire a little bit, get some of this stuff on it, and we'll come back and knock some more trees down. Fire's rolling pretty good, backside burn out of it. I've been pushing it all together. We just piled a bunch of more wood on it. A bunch more. Anyways, we got 3 more trees to pop out. One big stump to deal with. That's probably going off in the pond, to be honest with you. I'll probably just cut off the top of it, burn it, and then throw the stump in there. It's almost more than the mini wants to pick up and drop and shake the stuff off of it. We're gonna pop these 3 right here and get them out of there. Somebody has thrown all kinds of neat old junk in there. Sam, is this a TriStar digging dump over here? I see we got a little Dr. Pepper. 10 fluid ounces. When do they go to 12? But I've got the magnet, so stick you guys in the machine. I'll see if I can get a good view. The whole thing's basically a magnet, so I should be able to find something, you know. ROPS. With no doors or windows or AC or heat or any of that stuff. Ooh, look at that. Who's a big boy? I'm a big boy. Well, you guys are shaking like crazy. They can just reach in there and pop both sides and knock it over. It takes a little more guys are good and tight. Trash around your trees and stuff, they'll grow really well. Real strong. Had to break a bunch of roots out of here.
Not been fun. I think this one at least is about ready to let go. They're kind of tied together. There it goes. Dandy. Think about this one. Oh. Hey, move that skid steer. Looks like she's gonna swing that way. I don't want to hurt my kitty cat.
get these out here and get them on the fire. I don't know if we're gonna do the pond today for you guys, or it may just be clear then. You guys might have to wait on the pond day. Although I am gonna start it today, whether you like it or not. Who's a big boy? I'm a big boy! I need a helper. This little baby-sized Mini's done us pretty solid today. I didn't make that dent. Rental. But yeah, we got this little pond thing, whatever it was, cleaned out. All those trees are out of it. Dirt's out of them. They're on the pile burning. I'm gonna keep working on that a little bit. Work on cleaning this up. Wife came and brought us a little bit of lunch. Brought the kiddos. We had fun. You've probably seen. I'll have a little footage in there of the kiddos or whatever. Theo helping me. Anyways, I'm gonna jump in the skid steer. I'm gonna clean up this mess. There's some junk and trash in it. I want to get that out because I'm gonna have to cut that bank off the back of it and bring all that in, but I'm not gonna do all that today. Just get the trash out of it. Also tomorrow, which won't be tomorrow for you guys, gonna cut out that pond bank and start daylighting that so it can drain. May not be able to dose it in till spring. I don't know what the bottom of it looks like, but we'll find out. We're gonna get the water out first. I'm gonna keep tending this fire, get the trash out, and I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching and God bless. Check you later.